How to assign Edpuzzles in Schoology. This tutorial assumes you've already set up courses in Edpuzzle based on your Schoology courses. If you've not done that yet, please view the tutorial for doing that on our YouTube channel. To make an Edpuzzle assignment in Schoology, on the Materials page in your course, navigate to where you want to add the assignment. Click on Add Materials, then click Edpuzzle. Your Edpuzzle content will show up. You can either select from your content here as I'm doing, or you could search for more. Once you select your content, click Next. Make the settings you want to make for the video. Decide how many attempts you want your students to have, and then click Assign. One more important step you must take once the assignment is there is click on the gear and edit it. You must add the check mark to enable grading. Even if you don't want to take a grade, the assignment won't work without that. Add a due date, especially if you're going to export this to Skyward at some point, and make sure you give it an appropriate grading category. Once you've done that, you can click Save Changes, and the assignment is ready for your students to complete. Copying Edpuzzle assignments from one Schoology course to another does not work. So if you need to assign the same Edpuzzle to a different Schoology course, you will have to create the assignment from scratch in the other Schoology course.